If you're still letting your money sit idle in a savings account, you're actually losing money to inflation every single day. But what if I told you you could make your money work for you, even while you sleep? Welcome to your crash course in smart investing. In this video, I'll walk you through how to start investing, where to begin, what to avoid, and how to grow wealth step by step. Whether you're 18 or 48, it's never too late to start. So grab a notebook. Let's unlock your financial future. Part 1. Why you should invest. Before we dive in, why should you invest at all? Because saving alone won't build wealth. Inflation eats away at your money's value, but investing helps you beat inflation and grow your money over time. It's how the rich get richer, not by working harder, but by letting their money work smarter. Start with the right mindset. Investing is not gambling. It's a long-term game of patience, strategy, and discipline. Don't chase quick money. Build a plan. Ask yourself, what are your goals? Retirement? Buying a home? Financial freedom? Your goals will shape your investment path. Part 3, Step-by-Step Beginner's Guide. Step 1, build an emergency fund. Before you invest, make sure you have 3 to 6 months of expenses saved. This is your financial safety net. Step 2, pay off high-interest debt. Investing gives you returns, but not more than 25% credit card debt. Kill that debt first. Step 3, choose a brokerage platform. Pick a reliable platform like Vanguard, Fidelity, Robinhood, or eToro. Make sure it suits your country and fees are low. Step 4. Start small with index funds or ETFs. These are low-cost, diversified, and safer for beginners. Think S&P 500 ETFs, where you're investing in the top 500 U.S. companies in one click. Step 5. Automate your investments. Set up monthly auto deposits. This is called dollar-cost averaging. You invest regularly, no matter the market condition. Step 6. Learn the power of compounding. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. $100 per month from age 20 can become over $300,000 by retirement, even without increasing the amount. Part 4. Common mistakes to avoid. Don't time the market. Don't invest in what you don't understand. Don't follow hype or trends blindly. Don't panic sell during crashes. The key is stay consistent, keep learning, and think long-term. Part 5. Where to learn more. Investing is a journey. Keep learning through books like The Intelligent Investor or Rich Dad, Poor Dad. Follow trusted finance channels, podcasts, or mentors. You don't need to be perfect, you just need to begin.